Good morning, dumplings. Well, morning for me. By the time you see this, it'll probably be afternoon. Um, we're doing Meal Prep Monday today. So, let's get our aprons on and get busy. Okay, hopefully we're recording now. Alright, so today we are making some egg muffins. We have ham and green onion in this bowl here. We have 1 dozen eggs in this bowl here that finished whipping up here. And my counter's already a mess. Well, that's not fun or cute. So we got that there. And for a little bit of extra flavor, we're going to take some of this Mexican style 4 cheese cheese mix, and we are going to add it along with the eggs if I can get it open. Oh, always something. There we go. And this is what? Trying to find how many cups this bag is. I think it's 4, but I'm not sure. But what we'll do is we will add maybe about 1.5 cups of cheese to this bowl here. And we are going to use, oh my goodness, everything in this kitchen is just so, ugh. Alright, there we go. What? How in the tarnation? Okay, that's weird. Ugh. I didn't dust my spice shelf, which is where this came from. First thing we're going to do is, now that all these are ready, and this is a non-stick pan, but just to be safe, I like to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil cooking spray to each well. Only because I don't trust non-stick. Every time I try to cook something in so-called non-stick, it still sticks, which makes no sense to me, but it's whatever. So I just take a paper towel, make sure I get that all up the sides in each well. And I like to wipe off the top a little bit, because even though some will, as the eggs cook and expand, it'll spill over some, but you know, don't want it to stick because that would just be a waste of egg. Get rid of these. And now we are ready to fill the wells. What I like to do, oh, sorry for the screeching, these old cabinets. I take a 1/4 cup, I don't know if you can see that, it's a 1/4 cup scoop, and I like to put that in the very bottom. And it fills up each well about halfway, give or take a little. It doesn't have to be exact. Ooh, that's a long piece. We don't want long pieces. I'll use that in a salad. Okay, just quick and easy. There we go. Make sure we get some ham and some of these onions in here, because that's what really makes it a great omelet muffin, as it were. And whatever I don't use of this here, I will use in my salads. Zero waste. Okay, maybe I didn't make enough. Well, no, maybe I did. We'll see. Yeah, I just fell a little bit shy on this last one here. So I'm going to take a handful of the ham, a little pinch of ham. All right. Now, we've got that done. Now it's time for the eggs. I'm going to go rinse my scoop. And I'm going to dip into our egg mixture here. And I'm going to add some to each little well. And I will be posting this recipe down below in the description box. I'm hoping the sound works this time around. Last time I used this camera, the sound did not work, which really sucked. But it is what it is, I guess. And so what you want to do is fill each well, roughly like this one here, these two here. I always go a little under, and then I can always top off later before I put them in the oven. That looks a little low, as does that one there. Okay, that's the end of our egg. Put some water in that. Oops. Get water everywhere. There we go. Now, for the cheese. Sprinkle just a little bit on top. Of each well with the rest of the mix. I'm hoping to have this video up this afternoon. It's almost 7 a.m. now. Got a little extra on these two here. And now for the oven. Okay, we're back now and getting ready to put these babies in the oven. The oven is set for 400 degrees and I like to put them in for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I check them with a knife to see if they are done. So, there we go. And we will be back in 20 minutes to check if they're done. And of course, what Meal Prep Monday would be not complete with? Lunch. So today, I'm prepping my salads for the week. They're just simple bagged salads that you can get at any grocery store. I think I got this bag at Walmart for like $2. But I never eat salad just straight out of the bag by itself, plain. No. It doesn't have, it has water content, it has roughage, but it doesn't have any damn protein. So, what I like to do is I cut up, I'll hard boil some eggs, and I'll just throw some on top, just a handful of the egg on top of the salad, the lettuce and whatnot. There we go. And what egg I have left over, I usually give to the dogs because they love hard-boiled eggs. In fact, they've already had quite a bit already. And I still have 5 eggs left over for an egg salad sandwich today. All right. And probably the next couple of days. So, we got our eggs in there, right? Now we need to put the rest of the fixings in. Throw a tiny little bit of green onion in. I don't want to use too much green onion. And the rest of this will actually end up going into next week's meal prep recipe. And that is miniature meatloaves. And yes, you make them right in a muffin tin, which is actually the perfect serving size. But anyway, back to the salads. Small handful of ham in each salad bowl. Yes, Dexter, I see you standing there. No ham for right now, buddy. I'm sorry. Okay, so there's our ham and our salads. Whoops, that one's kind of clumped up, isn't it? Yeah, that's weird. Okay, and what is a salad without a little bit of cheese sprinkled on top? Now, normally I would throw mushrooms and olives and stuff like that in there. Today I just want to keep it simple. So we're doing eggs, ham, and some cheese. Just a small sprinkle of cheese. Nothing too outrageous. And these little salads here go great with some garlic toast for an amazing lunch. Okay. Now, of course, you don't put the salad dressing on until you get ready to eat it. So we just Pop the lids on. And there we go. We have 4 lunches for the week ready to go. All we have to do is just pull them out of the fridge, put our dressing on, and enjoy. And there you have it, folks. Omelet muffins with a little guacamole, and breakfast is served. If you enjoyed this Meal Prep Monday, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Meal Prep Monday is a new series that I'm starting as of Monday. So until then, take care, be kind to each other, and you have a beautiful day. Bye for now.